Alright, y'all, welcome back. Today we're going over the classic soul counter. Let's get to it. So in our UI, I call mine the health canvas. We're gonna add a text mesh pro under the UI section, and I'm gonna drag in my font here, and we're gonna call it souls. Then we're gonna drag it right up under the health bar, make it nice and big. Then we have to resize it because the box is so tiny it starts to stack on top of each other. Then I'm just gonna call it soul counter. Next we're gonna make another text mesh pro UI that's actually gonna hold the number of souls. So I'm gonna drag it right to the right of our HUD there. Have our default be 0. Drag in that font, make it nice and neat. And drag this box out a little wider because we're gonna have more than a couple numbers, so we don't want them to start stacking up on each other. Then we can change the color to make it a little more interesting. And we'll go over the script. It's a really easy script. I call it Soul Script. Not that many lines of code. The most important thing here is instead of just using text.text, we're going to be using Text Mesh Pro here. So we're going to have to call the Text Mesh Pro U GUI. We'll call it text. Grab the component in the start, and then we're going to change our text value to a string. Save that. Go back to our souls text and drag in that script. Drag in the text. And I also have an enemy script that we'll go over that actually holds the amount of souls that you'll get once you kill them. I'll just add that to 25 for now. And let me actually show you that script. So we're gonna add a soul amount public integer, and once the enemy's health goes down to 0 or doesn't have any health anymore, we're gonna call the soul script and then add the soul amount to it. It's pretty simple. And that's all we would do there. Oh wait, let me add a little bit more souls here. Let me also add the same thing to the little eye guy. He's not the only enemy on the screen, so he gets a soul amount too. And we'll hit play and see what happens. I have a little scene that I'm working on. It's still a work in progress. We'll ignore it for now. And of course the enemy kills me as soon as I touch him. That's actually a bug that I've already fixed, but for this video, it's still in there. So we'll cheat and try to kill him this time. Oh, well, it looks like he didn't give us any souls, and the reason why is because he's actually not a prefab. So let me just click on his object. See, his is still at 0. So let's change that to 200, and let's make him not hurt me as much when I touch him. So we'll load it up again. Scene plays, and we'll go mess him up this time. And boom, 200 souls. Looks pretty cool. Let's go see if the eye guy works. I just call him eye guy. I haven't came up with a name for him really. Yep. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a soul counter. And I also want to give a special shout out to Leho Dev, I think that's his name. He's on a long lost search for his brother. He's a fellow game developer. Good luck out there, man. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time. Peace.